back for another video. So today I am decorating my living room for fall. Yesterday I decorated my kitchen, so if you guys haven't watched that video, I will go ahead and leave it up in the card so you guys could go ahead and watch that video. But I feel like this year everything came out a lot better than I did in the previous years. The more you decorate, the more you kind of figure out your style, and you get better at it, I guess, with the years to come. But what's even better about this video is the fact that it's a collab. Now, I don't do many collabs, but when I do, that means that that person that I'm collabing with is just special. I don't know, there's something about them that I really love, and Ava is definitely that person. I love her channel. Her channel is called Journey with Ava. She's a wife and a mom, and she works and she does it all on her channel. She definitely loves to decorate, so I know for sure you guys will enjoy her content. But what I love even more about her videos, I feel like it shows in her videos, is the fact that she loves Jesus. Like, I feel like it shows in her videos and everything that she does. She's just a positive person. So I know for sure if you guys love my videos, you definitely will love hers as well. So don't forget to go over to Ava's channel, show her some love, let her know that I sent you guys, and check her out. I will make sure to leave her link down in my description box, you guys. So let me show you what I got in here. But first, since I don't have a fireplace, I went on YouTube and I typed in fall screensavers, and they have a ton of them and they last for hours. So I feel like it gives it that fall vibe. So that's what I have on the TV. But I have a hot mess in my living room. It's usually how it is when I'm decorating. I have a few things here on the table that didn't work out for the kitchen, and I might put it in here. I don't know, I might put it in my bedroom. And then I looked through my stuff to see what I have, because y'all, after a whole year goes by, you kind of don't remember what you have. So I'm gonna get started. So usually in my videos, I always make sure to include a recipe, so y'all already know that's coming. So let's get started. I'm first starting off with the mirror. I got this wreath from At Home for like $19.99, but a lot of the decor that I have, I've been using it for so many years, you guys. So what I do is every year I just get a few extra things just to add to my decor, but I don't go full blown out. So a lot of the times I wait till after fall to get a lot of my decor for the next year. So this is my first time actually ever decorating this dresser that we have here. We made this dresser, well, we DIY'd this dresser a few months ago. We got it from Facebook Marketplace, and then we just paid $100, and then I already had the paint and I already had the stain, so we really didn't have to spend that much money. But I love it, so I can't wait to start decorating this next. New to my channel, you guys, welcome. I post a lot of homemaking type of videos. I post a lot of family vlogs, grocery hauls, decorating, recipes, different kind of things like that. So if that's the kind of content that you like, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss any one of my videos. Y'all, so I am very conflicted. I don't know if I should keep this sign here or replace it with this one right here. So let's try this one to see how it looks. know what? I think this looks better. I like this better. Okay. Okay. I like this. I'm gonna keep working on it. So is it just me, or when, oh sorry, there's a glare. Or when you decorate, like you constantly have to play around with the decor to figure out what looks good. Like it just doesn't seamlessly go right for me. I have to constantly keep playing with it to see what looks right. I wish it went a lot smoother. Did go ahead, add some twinkle lights. They're super cheap too. You could get like a pack of 10 on Amazon for pretty cheap, like $10 or $13, something like that. So they're also in my Amazon favorites if you're looking for something like this. I'm pretty sure it looks a lot nicer at night. Drinking the Yogi stress relief tea. You can easily find it at Walmart in my Ray Dunn mug. I love Ray Dunn, you guys, but I drink it every day. It's actually one of my absolute favorite besides the Perfect Energy. That one is another good one too. And I also have these pillow covers. I prefer to use pillow covers because I feel like it's cheaper that way. They sell these on Amazon. That's where I got them from, and it's in my Amazon favorites if you're looking for something like this. But I also have the red and white ones for Christmas. I've been using it for years. So this is my second year using this one. Yeah, I think so. And then I keep the cream, like the beige and white, one year round. But I love these pillow covers. It's a great money saver as well. Alright guys, so I am pretty much done in here. The last thing I need to do is vacuum, but I absolutely love everything, the way everything turned out. So now I'm getting ready to fix some corn chowder with bacon and potatoes. So I asked for you to shuck some corn, but ain't nobody got time for that. I ain't shucking no corn. So I'll just use canned corn. So ask for 6 cups of chicken broth, some parsley, onion powder, paprika, garlic, 2 potatoes, but I did 3 instead because the potatoes I had were small, a quarter cup of heavy cream, 3 tablespoons of flour, half of a red bell pepper, half of a onion, 3 carrots, and 2 stalks of celery. Plus, of course, we also have some cut up thick bacon. So I just decided to go ahead and cook the last bacon in the air fryer. Just let me finish this up real quick. Usually, I think it depends on the air fryer, but this one needs it on 400 degrees for 12 minutes. Whew. Sorry, y'all. So I won't take you step by step through the recipe because the recipe will be down in my description box where it says Fall's Dinners link. You can find it in there, and if you choose to make that recipe, they will have it step by step on there. I also have a ton of recipes in there if you guys want to go ahead and try it out. I do bake a lot and I cook a lot, so I always add a ton of recipes on there. So that will be all, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and don't forget to head over to Ava's channel. I know whatever she does over there is going to be good. I don't miss any one of her videos, so make sure you go ahead and check her out. And if you came over for Ava's channel, hi guys, don't forget to leave me a comment so I can say hi to you all, and I will see you all on the next one. Bye guys.